guys, welcome to my channel Adegbola Valentine, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to actually earn money right to your PayPal account. I mean, this social app is paying me so good. They just came out and they are not so known like TikTok and Instagram and the rest, so they want more people to use the app. So the more you use the app, the more you get paid, and the more followers you have, the more so you get paid. So right now there's no minimum or maximum followers you can have. I mean, I just have 50 followers now and I'm already making money from there. I'm thinking at least yesterday I made up to $10. I'm telling you. So there's a link provided at this below this video. So once you click the link, it's going to take you to where I'm going to be showing you how to set it up and start making real money. So okay, let me tell you about this app. This app is called Tsu Social. Gets also known as Tsu Live. It's like TikTok and Instagram, but TikTok, for you to earn money on TikTok you must have up to 1,500 followers, but on Tsu there is no minimum. So even though you have 1 follower, you can earn money from it. So the more followers you have, yes, auto determines the more you earn. And also there's a way in which you can be supported. That means other Tsu members can support your content, which also generates income for you. So you make money not only from your followers, you make money also from your supported content, from your friends and from your followers, and also people that you're following. And once you get verified, man, you've made it. So like I said before, there will be a link for you at this video. So clicking this link will take you to how to set it up and start making cool money. So let's get started.
Clicking the link will take you to Google Play Store where you can download and install the app. And after that, you need to input your email address to get started. After that, then click next. Then input your first name, your last name, password, confirm the password, the date of birth, and then you click sign up. Then you skip until you get to your profile page. Click on profile page. Not done. Let's take on some things. Okay, here you can put your profile picture, cover photo, YouTube link, Facebook link, and other website links. Let's keep this. This is the front of the app. This is how the app looks like. Looks like Facebook. Cool. Let's check on something. Also, let's check on how we can actually access our earnings. Okay, so profile, then click on that bank. Then yeah, okay, saying error. Maybe they're working on the maintenance, so we'll check on this later. Refresh. Same thing. Okay, let's keep this for now. We'll come back here later. Let's check on some features again also. So let's check here how we can invite our friends. Okay, we can through here, then WhatsApp or social profile you have. Let's send error. Let's come back again later. Then also let's check a year where you can set your views, comments, and likes. How people view and like a comment. Okay, yeah, community where you can create or join communities. Very good, just like Facebook. I love this. Okay, this is our front page. How the app looks like Facebook and Instagram, looking nice. Okay, let's check on some things also. We have gold, platinum, and diamond. Gold is for people if you have invite 50 friends, then access some benefits. Also platinum if you invite 500 friends, also some benefits. And lastly, diamond. So thank you.
So guys, you've seen how to set it up. You provide your email, provided your name, and other things, and you've seen your dashboard area, and I've shown you also where you can check your bank. So now I'm going to give you a bonus. Okay, so the bonus is that now you need to have more followers to also maximize your earnings. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you where to upload your write-up, your advertisements, to also get more followers to increase your earnings. So I would like you to go to your browser and type Reddit. Sign up if you don't have an account, and in their sections you can see some general discussions. Write some things there and post the stuff there. Also, if people also actually click your link, then they follows you, then you start making cool money just using the social app. It's true, it's legitimate because it pays you, just like TikTok and Instagram that pays you. So these two also pays you good money. So please, if you like my content, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share, and the subscribe button, and also that down that bell. Yes, you can get anything anytime I do videos like this. You will be the first to see them, because now I'm making more videos on money, on earning, on capitals. So I love you guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you all.